On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate. On your mandate. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate. On your mandate. On your mandate we shall stand. We shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate. On your mandate. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Joshua. On your mandate, Joshua. On your mandate we shall stand. Greatest Nigerian people. Ever conscious APC people. I want to God. I want to talk. I want to hear Magana. I want to deposit. I want to state clearly our position of the greatest Nigerian youth, ever conscious Nigerian people. We are here today to state our position clearly. The national chairman.
Sorry, don't block.
Don't block. We are not coming again. We don't block anywhere. We are not blocking.
The national chairman, All Progressive Congress. The national secretariat, Abuja.
We are not blocking anywhere.
Sir, protest against attempt to subvert the mandate of Honorable Joshua Ishaku. It is a great respect and loyalty of our great party, the All Progressive Congress APC, that we, membership, stakeholders, party member, and supporter of Buhari Era Council, right to register our strong protest against the ongoing desperate attempt to subvert the mandate freely and fairly given to Honorable Joshua Ishaku during the chairmanship primary election held June 2025 on the 2025. The background, a free and fair primary. The Buhari APC chairmanship was conducted under the supervision of the party designated officials and security agency. Despite violent attempts by some individuals to disrupt the process, voting still took place. Honorable Joshua Musa Ishaku emerged victorious with 33 votes, while Honorable Aruna Adi Shokolo scored 0. He was dissatisfied. He filed a case in the court, sworn affidavit, admitting 0 votes, and prayed for a rerun. When faced with the overwhelming evidence of Joshua's victory, he quietly withdrew his case. Forgery, propaganda, and violence. Rather than accept defeat, Shokolo camp resulted in circulating a forged result sheet, claiming victory and blackmailing senior leaders and fabricating claims that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have substituted Honorable Joshua Musa Ishaku, which is a lie.
Yes.
We, the members of All Progressive Congress, we know our president, a founding father of this party, will not engage in such calumny, cannot descend so low in subverting the will I have not heard in democracy where people come and change result overnight after winning an election. You come tomorrow morning and you should change the name. Is it possible? No. No. This action among falsehood, a bad dude, falsehood, that 100. Joshua,